Good morning to you all. How are you all? Fine? Okay, yes. So today we are going to study subject grammar. Okay? Yes, so we are starting with the first chapter. So what is the name of the first chapter? See, putting words together. Okay? Here we are going to learn how to make the sentences. Okay? With the capital letters, full stops, comma and inverted commas. Okay? Yes, so now see on the page number 1 in your grammar workbook. See, this is your workbook. Yes, you have to take out the page number 1. Yes. Okay, now see what is the first written in the yellow box. Here you have to see. Okay. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Here means हम यहाँ पे क्या है सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस का मीन्स क्या होता है कि जो ग्रुप होता है वर्ड्स का. हाउ वी मेक द सेंटेंसेस विद द डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. ओके, सो वी मेक द डिफरेंट वर्ड्स from the group of the sentences. See, like how it is given, what a pleasant surprise, right? So it is given the different words. Okay, this is the group of a word. That's why this is known as a sentences. Okay, clear after this how you make. Now see what is the next line. We have learned that all the sentences begin with the capital letter and end in a full stops. Okay, so how we start with the sentence? We put the first letter capital and in the end we put the full stop, right? Yes, so what is the next? See, or an exclamation mark, questions end in a question mark. Okay, so jo surprise, when you feel the surprise, like at that time you put the exclamation mark, right? This is known as the exclamation mark. Okay, and when we start with the question, what, who, where, okay, at that time in the question sentences you will put question mark. Okay, clear up till this? Yes. Now see what is the next. For examples you have given here. See, this is the pictures and given examples also. See what is given. Are you a carpenter? So here we are asking the question that are you a carpenter? Yes. So that's why what we have put it here. We have put here question marks. Okay. Yes. Now see what is the next. The dog is sleeping. So this is a simple sentence. Yes. Dog is sleeping, so it is simple sentence. That's why we have put here full stop. Clear? Yes. Now see what is the next. The subject of a sentence is the person or a thing spoken about. The predicate is what is said about the person or thing. What is the meaning of subject? This is a sentence. Okay. Yes. This is a full sentence. What a pleasant surprise. So in that sentence we have to find out what is the subject and what is the predicate, right? So what is the meaning of the subject? When we talk about a person or a thing, yes? When we talk about a person or thing, at that time it is known as the subject and predicate is said about the, again, person and thing. Clear? Yes. Now see what is the next in your page. See, you have shown here subject and the predicates. The monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree. See here you have given an example. The monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree. So who is the monkey? Subject or predicate? It is known as subject. Why? Because we have spoken about a monkey. Okay, it is an animal. Yes, we have spoken about it. So that's why it is subject. And where he is sitting, we have spoken about the thing what he is doing. Clear? So that's why sitting on the branch is a predicate. Clear after this? Okay, again we will learn subject and predicate in the next lecture. Just now, see on the page number 2, what is the exercise A? Okay, just we are going to learn today exercise A. Okay, next lecture we will learn about again subject and predicate. Now see what is given on the page number 2. Exercise A is rewrite the sentence using capital letters, full stops, question marks and the exclamation marks. Okay, so in that these are the sentences given to you. Okay, 10 sentences are given. Yes. So in that sentences, what you have to do? You have to write the first letter capitals. Yes, where the name of a person comes at that time also you have to put capital. Last we will put comma. Last we will put full stop. Or if the question is there, that's why we will put the question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, so like this we have to write a perfect sentence. See. What is first given? What a pleasant surprise. So in that W is small, right? So first letter we will put capital. Okay. Clear students? So W should be capital. What? Then after what a pleasant surprise, right? So you write like this. What a pleasant surprise. what you will put in the last? We'll put exclamation mark. Did you understand how much you are going to write? Yes. Now see what is the next sentence. The nurse gave the patient some medicines. Okay, it is given like this. Yes. So this is a simple sentence. The nurse is giving the medicine to the patient, right? Yes. So first letter is small. Okay. Yes. So you have to put the first letter capital. So your T should be capital. Then after the whole sentence you will write as it is. So what is the next? See. It is given the nurse gave the patient. Okay. So what did she give to the patient? She gave some medicines, right? So this is a simple sentence. So what we will put in the last of the sentence? In the end of the sentence you will put full stop. Okay. So you should be clear with the exclamation mark, full stops and the question marks. Okay. So when you have to put the which thing you should know. Yes. Now see what is the next given to you. Are you waiting for the bus? So again this is a question. Yes. Someone is asking the question that are you waiting for the bus? Yes. So this is a question. So first of all you will put a first letter capital. Your A should be capital. Okay. Are you waiting for the bus? Okay. So ये question है. So we'll put in the last question mark. Clear how you have to make? Yes. Now see what is the next one. My mother is planting a lily. So this is also a simple sentence. Yes. Mother is what planting? She is planting a lily plant, right? So what you have to do? You have to do here again. First letter should be capital. Yes. So M should be capital. Yes. Then after my mother is planting a lily, right? So what you have to do? You have to put full stop. Why we have put here full stop? Because this is again a simple sentence, right? So first letter capital, then after in the last you put full stop. Clear? Yes. Now see what is the next sentence. When is your father returning from his trip? So when we have start the questions with the when, what and who. Yes. So this is a question mark. So what we will do? You will put first letter capital and then after what you will do? In the last you have to put the question mark, right? Yes. So first letter W should be capital. Then after when is your sentence which is given to you in the question you have to write as it is. Okay. So your father returning from his trip, right? So we have started with the when. So in the last what you will put? You will put question mark. Clear after this? Now see what is the next number. The plumber fixed the leaking tap. So what has the plumber done? The plumber has fixed the leaking tap, right? So this is a simple sentence. Yes, so we have to do nothing but just first letter capital and in the last you will put just a full stop. Okay. Rest all question is as it is in the given. Yes. Okay, in the last put full stop. Now last 7 numbers, see what is given. Why is the baby crying? Again this is a question that why baby is crying. So W should be capital. Why is the baby crying, right? So you will put question mark in the last and first letter is capital. Clear after this? Okay, rest 3 you do by yourself in the homework. Okay. Yes, so we have completed after page number 2. Yes, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, bye-bye. Thank you.